Heartbreaking visuals have been emerging from Bangladesh of attacks on minorities. Hundreds of Hindu houses, businesses and temples have been vandalized since the ouster of former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Hindus constitute about roughly 8% of Bangladesh's 170 million population. Videos of temples being set on fire and houses and businesses of Hindus being attacked have flooded social media. However, at the same time, there have been visuals of Bangladesh's Muslim clerics guarding a Hindu temple in Kumila. Another video showed a group of students protecting the Dhankeshwari Mandir in Dhaka. Meanwhile, a report in Bangladesh's Daily Star has said that houses and businesses establishments of Hindus were attacked by mobs and their valuables were also looted in at least 27 districts. An ISKCON temple in Meherpur, located in Khulna, and a Kali Mandir were vandalized and set on fire. Another video shows a temple in Navgrahabari in Chittagong being burnt. Reports also state that Hindu councillors Harshvardhan Roy of the Rangpur City Corporation and another councillor identified as Kajal Roy were also lynched. Another video shared on social media shows a girl pleading for help. It is said to be from the Pirojpur district. Moreover, the Bangladesh Hindu Buddhist Christian Unity Council has listed 54 attacks on temples, houses and establishments of the Hindu community. These include the Indira Gandhi Cultural Center, which promotes cultural exchange between India and Bangladesh. These are, of course, some of the developments and the unfortunate developments that have taken place in Bangladesh. Again, unfortunately, there are Hindu communities, Hindu houses, temples, churches that are at this point of time being vandalized. We have a couple of visuals over here for you to give you an understanding on the gravity of situation in Bangladesh as it prevails right now. The Bangladeshi singer Rahul Ananda's house was set on a blaze. You can see again, we're marking on this side, you can see how fire has completely engulfed the house. Another visual that we have over here for you, you can see over here again, this is the Indira Gandhi Cultural Center in Dhaka. It was looted, vandalized and of course set ablaze. Happens to be a two-story building, all of which has now been charred. Lots and lots of debris there on the floor. And again, we're talking about the debris here. You see it, the amount, the kind of fire and the kind of an impact that it has had, we can see over here right on our screen. So again, set ablaze, looted, vandalized. We're talking about the IGC in Dhaka. You can see again some sort of restoration work there taking place at this point of time. People trying to collect the debris, trying to see what has been recovered. And you can see those visuals again. All right, so these are in fact the visuals that are coming in from inside where you can of course see the developments that are taking place. Again, these are again more visuals that are coming in from the IGCC, where you can see of course two people over there, and these are some of the visuals that are coming in as far as the materials that have been damaged on the property. So these are again developments coming in. You can see the amount of damage over there. Again, we have another visual over here for you. Hindu houses set on fire. You can see the kind of an impact that it has had, and you can see the kind of fire, and which only makes us understand the kind of a situation that's prevailing on ground at this point of time. Again, you can see huge fire over there, a whole building set ablaze, homes of Hindus burnt in Bogura is what we're learning at this point of time. So these are visuals that are coming in from Bogura, where a house of a Hindu has been set ablaze. You can see again, the visuals tell the tale. Now here we have a visual of a Hindu temple that was attacked in Chittagong. You can see the temple over here. You can of course see the fire and how it started from this end. And unfortunately, this fire was also, it in fact turned into a very big fire. Again, we can see another Hindu temple attacked in Bangladesh. There is a visual that's coming in at this point in time, slightly blurry. Assumption tells us that these are all visuals that were taken via the phone. You can see the visual over here of the burnt Hindu temple, and you can again see the kind of an impact that it has in fact had. Mobs enter homes of Hindus. You can see the visual over here and the kind of activity that is taking place on ground. In fact, I'm going to request you to continue the motion as I explain exactly what's happening over here. Again, people entering inside. Here is of course a visual of the Awami League's leaders hotel, a 10-story building completely engulfed in fire. As many as 24 people were burnt in this incident, burnt alive. Several houses burnt to the ground. You can see again a visual flashing on your screens. It gives you an understanding of the kind of, again, the kind of protests that are taking place and how violent they are by nature. Violence erupts in the Jessore district. Again, you can see how the lock is broken over there, damaged, property, as you can see, that seems like furniture that has been damaged, loot, vandalism. This is unfortunately the reality of Bangladesh as we speak. So these are again visuals that are coming in, debris over there. This somewhat seems like furniture that was vandalized. This in fact seems like a portion of the house that was vandalized and broken down. So these are again visuals that are coming in from Bangladesh. Unfortunately, we've seen the visuals and how bad they are, but unfortunately these are just some of the many incidents that have taken place. And it's really, really unfortunate to see the kind of a situation in Bangladesh at this point of time, the kind of atrocities that the Hindu community is facing at this point of time. In fact, to give us an understanding on this, my colleague Renik Datta joins us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Renik, again, as I was telling our viewers, a very, very ghastly incidents taking place in Bangladesh right now. Reports are also indicating that there have been roughly 54, I beg your pardon, such incidents that have taken place where houses, temples, buildings have been vandalized or they've been set ablaze. If you could give our viewers an understanding on that front.
देखिए, बांग्लादेश की तरफ से जो इस तरीके का इंफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है उसमें बांग्लादेश का बहुत सारे जिला में जैसे कि जशोर, ढाका और उसके साथ साथ ही जो फेनी, ये सब जगह से बहुत सारे हिंदू परिवार के ऊपर आक्रमण हो रहा है, जो टेम्पल से उनको तोड़ा जा रहा है और उसके साथ साथ ही टेम्पल से आग भी लगाया जा रहा है। इस तरीके का जो घटना, ये बहुत सारे घटना सामने आ रहा है और ये देखते हुए आप बोल सकते हैं कि बांग्लादेश में जब शेख हसीना का सरकार का पतन हुआ, शेख हसीना की तरफ से जब रेजिग्नेशन दिया गया, उसके बाद से इस तरीके का जो मूवमेंट दिखने को मिला। और उसके साथ साथ और जो इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रहा है कि बांग्लादेश का जो आउटस्कर्ट एरिया है, यानी सिटी के बाहर का जो आउटस्कर्ट एरिया है, उस आउटस्कर्ट एरिया में ही जो हिंदू परिवार है और जो माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी है, उनके ऊपर हमले का घटना घट रहा है। उनके घर को तोड़ा जा रहा है, उनके घर में रात के अंधेरे में लोग घुसकर उनको पीटा जा रहा है, उनको घर से निकाला जा रहा है। इस तरीके का जो मूवमेंट जारी है बांग्लादेश में। और बांग्लादेश का जो अभी का ये स्थिति कंट्रोल करने के लिए जो छात्र संगठन है, वो छात्र संगठन की तरफ से अभी प्रोटेक्शन दिया जा रहा है। और उसके साथ साथ जो तस्वीर सामने आ रहा है उससे साफ है कि छात्र संगठन की तरफ से रात भर जो मंदिर है, जो एरिया है, जिस एरिया में माइनॉरिटी रहता है, उस जगह में प्रोटेक्शन दिया जा रहा है। उस जगह में पूरा पहरा बैठाया गया है छात्र तरफ से। यानी एक तरफ जब बांग्लादेश का ये जो पूरा मूवमेंट चल रहा है कि इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट किस तरीके से फॉर्म किया जाए, इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट में कौन कौन शामिल रहेगा, और उसी बीच में बांग्लादेश में और दूसरा एक सामने आ रहा है कि जो माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी है, माइनॉरिटी जो उधर रहता है, उनके ऊपर हमला हो रहा है। ये पूरा घटना को लेकर माइनॉरिटी के ऊपर जिस तरीके का आक्रमण हो रहा है, इसको लेकर क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी की तरफ से भी पूरा घटना को विवरण करते हुए उनकी तरफ से दुख जताया गया है कि इस तरीके का जो हमला, इस तरीके का हमला का निंदा करते हैं वो लोग। इस तरीके का बयान भी उन लोगों की तरफ से दिया गया है। अभी देखना होगा कि बांग्लादेश का ये जो स्थिति कितने दिन तक चले और कब तक बांग्लादेश शांत हो।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.